Good day everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to teach you guys a very cool giant illusion. So stay tuned guys and like and subscribe. Thank you. Peace.
To start a new project, select the video I made and let's start it. So first, you go to the part of the video where you haven't entered the scene and freeze. Then after freezing it, you freeze it. After freezing it, you duplicate it and make it an overlay. Then you delete the other one.
Sliding got the same drop, same pull up with some effort, holding 30, make the place stop. These niggas are telling they ain't solid, always name drop.
Then keep on duplicating the overlay until you reach the part where you finally jumped over the building in the camera. So we're going to stop at 22 seconds because that's where I finally jumped over the building. Also like I'm missing when I'm pushing on this new. For all sliding, we ain't dipping on no tutu. Or you ain't no shooter, quit the capping, watch your body count. Molly's catching bodies, take a trip right back to Molly town. Drop my youngins in your hood, but didn't know it's where to go. Plus I fucked your BM, now we call you Mr. Saber. Oh, I forgot something. You have to remove the blue part of the overlay before duplicating it. So we're going to use chroma key for this. We'll select the what do you call it? You select the sky because sky is blue. Today is a clear day. That's how I was able to do it today. So there you can see yourself at the back, already looking like a giant. So now you can start duplicating it again. Keep on duplicating until you reach that part. Then we're almost reached the part where I finally jumped over the building. And you have to go at the exact moment where are the highest points in your jumping and adjust it to that exact moment to get a cleaner result. Okay, so when you finish adjusting it, you can add some extra things like your video is already good like this, but you can add some extra things like sound, video, VFX, like groundbreaking when you land. And you can add some sound effects like an impact sound or the same. So I'm just going to stop here today. This is my first video, please, so don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and get me to 1,000 before the end of the season. Bye.